How do students learn? How can I motivate them, facilitate their thinking, and assess them? These are some of the questions we will be answering in this course. This course is an introduction to psychological principles as they apply to the practice of teaching and learning. We will be examining various theories of learning, and the implications each has for variables such as classroom interaction, motivation, instruction, assessment, and evaluation. As your instructor for this term, I'm excited to learn with you and explore the content of this course together. There's a lot to learn, so let's get started. The focus of this first session is to introduce you to myself, the course, and its format. I feel that I should point out that you are not listening to my voice. This video was created with Video Puppet, an application for turning PowerPoint slides with speaker notes into videos with voiceover. I do not have a webcam or microphone on my home computer, so I have had to improvise. I am a teacher by profession. I taught early and middle year students. This is a picture of my very first class. Two things strike me about this photo. First, how young I was. And secondly, that these little darlings are now in their 40s. It is easy to forget that you are getting older when you teach, especially if you teach the same grade for several years, since your students never get older. Then, one day, a former student comes for a visit, and you realize that 5 or even 10 years has passed. I am married and we have a son, Gordon. My husband is the one with the beard. I returned to university to take graduate courses, after Gordon was diagnosed with autism when he was 2.5. Gordon is 28 now and I am still here. I teach courses on inclusive approaches to teaching exceptional students, both here, and the University of Manitoba, along with courses related to learning and child development. We also have a dog, named Norton, who is 6 years old. He is a golden retriever, corgi, something cross. Basically, he has a golden retriever body, with short corgi legs. This is the first time that I have owned a dog. I always had cats before, and it still surprises me when he gets excited to see me, even though I was only away for a few minutes. You can be gone for a week, and a cat barely notices. The course is organized around 2 essential questions. What do we know about how students, and people in general, learn? And how can we convert our knowledge about learning into effective teaching practice? All of the materials and learning activities will be available here, on Nexus. I have created a module for each week, with 1 or more pages, similar to this one. A new module will be added each Monday, and you should work through each page sequentially, from top to bottom. You can work at your own pace, completing all the activities in one day, breaking it up over 2 or 3 days, or even working a little each day. Be mindful that there are due dates for some of the activities, so manage your time wisely. Likely you are already familiar with Nexus, either from previous classes, or when winter classes were moved online. The content section is probably the area that you will access the most in this course. Here you will find the syllabus, additional information about the assignments, links to the textbook, and the weekly modules. Other areas of our site that you will likely access are discussion, email, and chat. Links to these are found in the drop-down menu under Communication. Chat is where you will find Office Chat, where I hold online office hours on Sunday through Thursday evenings from 7 to 7:30. Clicking on Assessments displays links to grades, assignments, and quizzes. You will submit assignments to your folder by clicking on Assignments, and you can track your grades, along with completion of course activities by clicking on Grades. I have included links to relevant video tutorials throughout the modules. For example, within the instructions for the first discussion post, there is a link to the tutorial on using the discussion forums. You can also access these tutorials at any time by clicking on Help, and selecting Student, Nexus Tutorials. Your first task is to review the syllabus. You can access this by clicking on Content. The first time you do this, the syllabus should display automatically. Otherwise, click on Overview to see it. You might notice that only this orientation module is listed in the table of contents. You will need to earn 100% on the quiz about the syllabus to gain access to the other course materials. I have included a link to the quiz's video tutorial, and to the syllabus quiz, under this video. You may retake the syllabus quiz until you earn 100%. The quiz results will indicate which questions you got wrong, so you can reread the syllabus to find the correct response. Good luck!